Hi and welcome back to another private pilot vlog. I hope you're all well. Thank you for all my new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please click on the link below. Today I've got a great flight coming up. A lady called Vicky contacted me through Wingley and asked me to take her great aunt who's just turned 90, a young lady called Pat. She's amazing, and she's never flown though. Never flown, not on commercially, not on a GA, not on a small aircraft, whatever. She's never flown. Today will be her very first flight with me. So no pressure. I hope my takeoff and landings are a lot better than they are normally, as they can be a little bit dodgy, as you may have seen. So I'm really excited to go and meet Pat and follow me on this journey.
I'm in.
You're in.
I'm in.
That was easier than I thought.
Where's information? Golf Bravo, Yankee Sierra Papa.
Station calling Osborne, just say again your call sign and pass message.
Golf Bravo, Yankee Sierra Papa, at take flight, 4 people aboard, request airfield information and taxi for flight to the north.
Golf Sierra Papa, Roger, taxi crossing runway 05 to hold Echo for 36 left hand circuit, and the QNH is 1011.
Cross 05 for Echo, 36 left hand on 1011, Golf Sierra Papa.
Okay, so now we just go and taxi down to the right. I believe it is your birthday.
It was in September, yes.
September ago.
This is my birthday treat. Yes.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you very much.
So you've never been in an aircraft before either?
My husband refused to fly,
Right.
and I offered to pay for him to go to Birmingham Airport on the course, but he wouldn't go.
Was he scared of flying or?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, a lot of people are. No need to be.
Osborne information, this is Golf Oscar
It's
Whiskey
just the
Romeo.
first time, isn't it?
Inbound to you, request
Yeah, I think so. And but this type of flying is completely different as well from
Oh,
going
I know,
in a,
yes.
you know.
I know.
You might want to have lessons after this, Pat.
Yeah.
This is Golf Oscar Whiskey.
Golf Sierra Papa's Echo ready for departure.
Golf Sierra Papa report lined up runway 36.
Landing up 36, Golf Sierra Papa.
Right. Side.
You okay?
Yep.
So we're just going to line up on the runway first of all. You okay, Pat?
Yes.
Very good.
Golf Sierra Papa lined up.
Golf Sierra Papa runway 36, take off your discretion, wind 020 degrees 8 knots.
Taking off Golf Sierra Papa.
Okay, ready? Everyone ready?
Yes.
Yep.
Keep your feet on the floor, that's okay.
Golf Whiskey Tango, take the next left and then parking
Yeah, airspeed's alive.
on the left hand side.
So let's go.
Golf Whiskey Tango, park outside the tower. Osborne information,
That's it.
Bravo Hotel Uniform India request radio check.
There you go, Pat.
Golf Bravo Hotel Uniform India, readability 5.
Wow, what a view.
Readability 5, Golf Bravo Hotel Uniform India.
Golf Kilo Echo ready for departure.
Golf Kilo Echo, runway 36, so take off your discretion, wind 020 degrees 8 knots.
Taking off Golf Kilo Echo.
Wow.
Everyone okay?
Yeah, great.
Yeah?
Great.
Ah. You picked a good day actually today. Someone was looking over us today, I think. Indeed. So Gaydon used to be an RAF base as well, but now they use it for testing. So it's like Jaguar,
Aston Martin.
Range Rover I think uses it as well. You'll see like an off-road truck I think.
It's one of the joining from the northeast shortly.
Right.
36 left, 1006.
So you've seen it with a different perspective now, can't you?
It's just coming up here, Pat.
Oh,
You
yeah.
can see it.
I can see it, yeah.
If I just dip the wing to the right slightly.
Yeah.
There you go, have a good look.
Wow.
Yeah, it's actually really nice to do it in autumn, I think, with the tree colour.
Yeah, lovely.
I think it's actually quite smoother as well. It's been so bumpy in the summer with the heat.
Has it really?
When it has been hot. Because the thermals, even at this level, you know.
A shame we can't arrive for our afternoon tea and coop by aircraft.
Oh, yeah, that would be something, wouldn't it?
Maybe next time.
Yeah.
Next birthday.
Bravo, Papa, Echo, Oscar.
Over the 100th.
152,
Yeah.
flight.
When I'm
CTOB, and
95.
request taxi for a flight to Shoppers.
When I'm 95.
Yeah.
You can probably make out, I think it's Birmingham in the distance. Off the left wing there. Really clear over Birmingham.
Yeah.
Have you been to Draco Water, Pat?
Yes, a long
Yeah.
time ago,
Yeah.
yes.
There's Drake up then, Pat, down to the right.
Can you see it?
Oh, yes, I see. Yeah.
Yeah. Lovely to see all the fields.
Yeah.
So green, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
Golf Zero Papa's overhead Gaydon, 1300 feet, request one instruction.
Golf Sierra Papa, just say again your request, please.
We're just overhead Gaydon, 1300 feet, and request joining instructions, please.
Golf Sierra Papa, Roger, 36 left-hand circuit, DQFE 1007. There's one joining shortly from the south. Report joining.
1007, 36 left hand, and we'll report joining Golf Zero Papa.
So you can see this used to be a runway, can't you? And
Yeah, for sure.
it's pretty cool. I think they've got some solar panels down on the roofs down there, haven't they? On some of the factories.
Yeah.
So we just have to join the circuit and then basically go back into land, really.
Yeah.
You okay, Pat?
I'm fine.
Good.
It's lovely. Lovely.
Good. You'll be able to talk about this over your...
Oh, yes.
Well, I'd never forget my first flight, so nice to look back on.
I've never heard of Wingley. It's an absolutely brilliant idea.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
My parents told me about it.
Oh, really?
They live on the Isle of Wight.
Oh, well, that's
think
right. I
it's
fly there all the time, actually.
Right.
Next
Is it
time we-
Bembridge, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or Sandown, is it?
Right.
Golf Zero Papa's descending dead 536 left hand.
Golf Sierra Papa, Roger, report downwind.
Report downwind, Golf Zero Papa.
Start
Top of
feeling
Lambda Bravo,
speed
taxi back to the
when you
club.
get nearer the ground.
Back to the club, thanks for Golf Zero Bravo.
Golf Zero Papa's turning downwind, 36 left hand.
Golf Sierra Papa, Roger, report final.
Report final, Golf Zero Papa.
I've really enjoyed that.
Yeah?
I've really enjoyed that.
Brilliant.
Well, they're more than happy to take you further afield next time. Next summer.
Golf Zero Papa, short final, 36.
Golf Sierra Papa, runway 36, land your discretion. The surface wind is 350 at 9 knots.
Golf Zero Papa.
November 182 Golf Charlie, was the station. Hello, I'll have your details. Runway 36, left-hand circuit in use. QFE 1007. Report joining.
Runway in use 36 left hand. QFE 1007. November 2 Golf Charlie.
Village. I was born, yeah.
Welcome back to Wales, one Pat.
Thank you, that was lovely. I really enjoyed that.
It was a very smooth landing.
It was, wasn't it? Yes.
Yeah, that's
yes.
one of the smoothest landings I've had for an awfully long time.
Do you know what? It's one of mine as well. So.
Oh, well done, Pat.
Yeah, congratulations.
Oh, I really enjoyed that, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I've had people tell me about different things, you know, about flying, or you won't like taking off, you won't like landing, but I've quite enjoyed it.
I thought you might like it.
Yeah.
Well, you should take advantage of it and do as much as you can, right?
Well, yes. I shall not break. Gotta go away next year.
Where do you fancy? Where are you going to go?
Well, I've never been to the Channel Islands. So
Oh, lovely, yeah.
Channel Islands.
Oh, Jersey,
Yeah.
Guernsey, beautiful.
Yeah.
There we go.
Wow, well done. Thank you, Adam.
Thank you
No
so
worries.
much.
Thank you.
So thank you for watching this short flight. If you like my videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, as it does help grow my channel, and also you get an email every time I post a video.